Salihin from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, at my workplace, the company I work at, there are a couple of pension plans. One is from the government, which we do not have any option but to contribute. It's mandatory. And other one is from my workplace, which when I joined the workplace, I wasn't knowledgeable about pensions, and I wasn't, so I just signed it anyway. But I tried to cancel it, but now they're saying I cannot cancel. So my question is, will I be able to take the money from either of the pension plans? Will it be halal, basically?
The pension scheme that the government forces employees to contribute, well, actually, it's not contribution. They take forcefully from their salary and from the company that is employing them. This kind of pension is permissible for me to utilize when I retire, because this is from the state itself, and it was forced upon me. So there's no sin in me. I can take it even if I live 30 years after retirement. What was not forced, as in the second voluntary type of pension scheme, now that you had found out that this is not permissible, you cannot cancel it. They don't allow you to cancel it. I have two or maybe three questions. Number one, what happens if you were to stop contributing? Most likely, they would say, we will take everything you've deposited and you lose your right in it. Or they will say, we will terminate the contract between you and us, and we will give you what you have contributed. Maybe we will deduct XYZ from it. I don't know. So you have to find out. If they say that we will wipe off everything that you've contributed and take it and keep it, no, this is not permissible. This is your money, you have to retain it. If they say we will take a small percentage equivalent to the profit or interest that we've accumulated upon it and give you your capital or a little bit less, that's a win-win situation, opt for that. If this is not possible and they say, no, I see no problem in continuing to give them, however, you have to calculate exactly how much you gave them. So at the end of your working phase, when you are to retire, usually they give you two options. Either they will give you a monthly salary, which is haram, or they will give you a lump sum, which is the amount you've deposited with them in addition to the interest or riba. You should opt for this one. Take your capital and the interest, you give it to Muslim charity and to the poor, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.